Okay, so if you wanted to make extra $500 a day by just using two tools, Cjdropship and TikTok, then make sure to stay tuned with me in this video till the end. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing with you a free way from which I have made thousands of dollars by just using TikTok and Cjdropshipping. So believe me, this is the coolest way to make money online out there. So keep watching this video till the end, because I'm going to be showing with you the exact strategy that you can follow and make money by just doing nothing and by just not spending any money. Alright guys, so if you are already a subscriber of my channel, so you already know that I post a lot of videos regarding e-commerce business, how you can sell your products online, how you can make money online, and so on. So I hope you are already aware about the term private label and dropshipping. But if you don't, then don't worry, I can just explain to you. So the dropshipping is a term in which you can just sell someone else's product to a customer, and when you get a sale from your customer, you can just go to your vendor and ask them that I have got a sale. So you can just purchase that product from your vendor very cheaply and sell that product inexpensive. So for example, you are trying to selling a knife. So you don't own that knife, someone else is owning that. Someone else is having that knife in your warehouse. You are only advertising that knife. So you have talked to that supplier or that vendor that he will give you a knife in $5. And then you start marketing that knife for $15. And when you get an order of $15, you get back to your vendor, pay $5 to your vendor and say that I have got an order. This is the name and the address of my customer. Please ship the knife to them. So in that way, you pay your vendor $5 and your vendor deliver your product to your customer. And from your customer, you get $15. So $10 is your commission. So this is the term dropshipping mean. So the two main points in the dropshipping is marketing and vendor. First of all, you need to find your product, and then you have to find the vendor who can give you that product very cheaply and who can deliver your product to your customer. After that, you have to find the video of that product, or you can create one yourself. And then you have to market that product to some customers. So when you get the order, you can just give the detail of your customer to your vendor, so they can ship that product to your customer and you can get the money from your customer with a profit. So by doing so, there are two main tools. For marketing, you have to use TikTok, and to find the product and vendor, you can use Cjdropshipping. So let's start with Cjdropshipping. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So let's take an example of the product, motivational water bottles. So when I search this product on Cjdropshipping, so you can see that it is showing me many results for these motivational water bottles. So I have to scroll down and I have to find a bottle having cheap price. You can see that this is a good bottle, the image is good, and this is the product I exactly want. So when I go to the listing of this bottle, you can see that I can find the title, I can find the images, and I can find a video of this product on this page. And you can see that the pricing are starting from $0.54 and ending at $8. So I can just pick up a design, like I want this design, and the capacity I want 1 liter. You can see that the shipping fee is $6.56, the product fee is $5.89. So it will be total around $11 if I purchase this product. Okay, and the processing time is 1 to 3 days. And these are the images of this product. So let me just show you that what this product is. This product is simply a water bottle, which is very famous now. Everyone wants to get it because this bottle is having a printing of text which motivates you. Like you can see that 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. you have to get started your day. From 9 p.m. to 3 p.m. you have to keep drinking. From 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. don't give up. So it is having some motivational quotes with a timing. So you can just drink your water in that time in the day and it will keeps you hydrated and motivated. If I just want to play this video of this bottle, so you can see that this is the video of this bottle in which they are showing the bottle. They're showing like how you can open up the cap, how you can pour the water, and how you can use this bottle. So this is not the only one video. When you start selling this product, you can find plenty of videos of this bottle on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and on supplier website. So once you decide to sell a product, after finding the supplier or vendor from the Cjdropshipping, third step is to find some videos from every platform. So you have to collect at least 100 videos of a particular product. You can just find from anywhere. And after collecting all those videos, you have to just list those products to your Shopify store, and you have to get the link, and then you have to put all those videos on TikTok to just start building your audience. So when you keep posting on TikTok and you keep getting views, so all those people who are watching your TikTok videos and this bottle who wants to buy that product, they can simply click on the link of your Shopify store from your TikTok account or any other social media platform, and then they can go to your Shopify store and place the order. So this is a whole process containing step-by-step block. So I cannot teach you the whole process in one video. If you wanted to know how you can just create your Shopify store, so you can just watch other videos on my channel. I will put the link of all those videos step by step in the description of this video, so you can just go there and watch that video, that how you can just build your Shopify store. In this video, I'm just giving you an overview, and I'm just giving you the business idea that how you can do it and how I did it. So after finding the products, after finding the supplier, you have to create a Shopify store. You can just create that store in 30 minutes literally. I will just put the link of this video in the description below, so you can just go there and make your store. And after creating your store, you will be having your store with a product, and you will be having the supplier. So now next task is to find video and post those videos on TikTok. So I will just show you an example of this product, like how people are posting the videos of this product on TikTok and how they are making money. So the name of this product is motivational bottle. So when I go to TikTok, I have already searched the motivational bottle here. But if you wanted to search other keyword, you have to just go to tiktok.com. You have to type /tag/ your hashtag, like motivational bottle. So I have just typed here motivation bottle. So you can see that there are 50.6k views and there are 7 videos on this topic. And when I go down, I can see all the videos are having these kind of bottles, which I have just shown you on Cjdropship. So you can see that people are actually selling this. So this is not a fake idea. This is the idea that is working for people. People are selling. So let me just show you some videos. Click on this one. This video is having how much views? 15.2k views. This video is having 6.1k views. I can just show you here. So they are just marketing this product. When I go down, I can just see this one. You can see that these are the bottles. This is just slideshow of the pictures. If I go further down, okay, so if I wanted to find some more hashtags for this keyword or for this product, so I will be able to add more hashtags in my video, TikTok video, so that video will reach out to more audience. So I can just go to tiktokhashtags.com here, and I can just refresh the page. I can just type motivational water bottle. So this tool will tell me that what are the keywords that are actually in demand nowadays. Alright, so when I go on tiktokhashtags.com and I type the keyword water bottle, so it is telling me all those keywords and all those hashtags that are popular on TikTok regarding this product. So I will be able to find those keywords which are highly competitive and those keywords which are low competitive. So I can just pick out all those low competitive keywords and I just make the combination of those keywords. And for all those 100 videos which I collected from all the social media platform, I just keep putting the music, background music on those videos, and I just keep posting those videos on my account after the gap of every 4 or 5 hours. And while posting, I have to use all these hashtags which this website is showing me. So let's go down. You can see that hashtag water, hashtag bottle, these are highly competitive because it is having millions and billions of views and thousands of posts. So when I go down, you can see that drink water, it is less competitive keyword. Dehydrate, water bottles, and adventure, plastic free, zero waste, eco-friendly, water bottles, stay hydrated. So these kind of keyword or hashtag we can use. So if I copy the second tag, stay hydrated, and go to tiktok.com, and when I put that tag, so you can see that there are other videos as well for this keyword. So by doing that, you will find some ideas of TikTok videos that if you want to sell this water bottle, so you can just shoot a TikTok video, or you can just take any video of person running on a beach or running on a rope, and then suddenly he just feel dehydrated, and then he took out the water bottle and drink the bottle from here. So from there you can just have a tons of ideas regarding your TikTok video, and you can just get the ideas of videos and get the ideas of tags. So you can just open these videos and see how these people are making videos. So I hope you got the idea now. The whole big picture will comes in your mind that what step you have to do to start this business free of cost. You just have to learn the things, and you just have to take action, and you just have to start your work from today. You can just find a product, you can just find a supplier, and then you can just create your own store, and then you can just create a TikTok account and keep posting the videos of that product. Make sure to keep post one video after every 4 hours, and I believe that if you do this practice for at least 1 month, like posting one videos after every 4 hours, so after 1 month your TikTok account will grow exponentially and you can see many sales coming in your Shopify store. So if you have any question about this video or any question related to your e-commerce business, then you can just ask me in the comment box below. Or if you're facing any problem like in creating Shopify store, in finding products, or in ranking your TikTok videos, then don't worry, I'm already having the videos on my channel on each and every topic. So you can just go there and watch all those videos and you can learn by yourself everything. Or if you don't understand anything, you can just ask me anytime. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.